This is the Reckless Motorcycles Batwing Fairing for Indian models ranging from Indian Chiefs, Chief Dark Horses, Indian Scouts, and more. This fairing comes preloaded with a full stereo system which features two 5¼ inch Rockford Fosgate speakers as well as two 6½ inch Rockford speakers. The stereo in the middle is your option to choose from between the PMX-1, 2, and 3. All three of these units come with Bluetooth, AM/FM radio, USB slots to charge your phone, and a 12-volt power outlet to charge your phone as well. The fairing has plenty of additional accessories to choose from, including a windshield which comes free of charge between 5 and 10 inches in a clear or smoked finish, and other accessories such as handlebar remote controls for the audio, cell phone mounts, and more. This fairing is available at accessoryinternational.com, and for any questions, give us a call at 786-242-5400. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and I'd like to thank you for tuning into our video today. We're a family-owned business that was established in 1998 out of Miami, Florida. If you have any questions on the product review that you've just seen, feel free to give us a call at 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning in.